Hello everyone, my name is Yev and welcome back to the channel. Today I have something new from Redragon brand, and this is Nefrit Pro gaming mechanical keyboard with Hall effect magnetic switches, with 8K pulling rate, with wireless connection and everything else what you can expect from gaming mechanical keyboard. Let's dive in. First of all, what you will get inside the box as a kit for this keyboard: user manual, USB cable, switch and keycap puller, several spare switches just in case, and keyboard itself. Let's quickly overview the keyboard from what we have on the front and the back side. On the front side we have a 90% mechanical keyboard. This is pretty unique layout. From one side you have almost everything what you can expect from 100% mechanical keyboard. You have a numpad, you have a arrow keys, you have a function row, you have a main part, right? But it all compressed into the most space saving layout, because it's all squeezed together. But from other side, it's a gaming keyboard, right? So theoretically it should be compact. But if you want to have the numpad, for example, you are gaming but also you are working or typing or doing anything else except gaming, and you need this numpad, this layout just a great choice for you. On the back side we have adjustable feet. We have a 2.4 wireless dongle hidden in an on spot, and we have a switch between 2.4 wireless connection, Bluetooth and wired connection, right? And if you will ask me where is the USB port, it's on this side, and the cable which is coming together also kind of L shape, so it will be connected to the keyboard without any issues, right? Okay, let's check what we have as a keycaps. Let me eject several of them. And this is a standard double shot PBT keycaps with shine through, right? Yes, with a shine through legends, so you will be able to see RGB through these keycaps. Let me show you closer, so you will be able to see them from all sides, but they're pretty standard, if you know what I'm talking about. Under keycaps we have a magnetic switches. From the switches point of view, we have Redragon on linear mechanical magnet switches with a central position of the magnet itself. Again, let me show you closer so you will be able to see them, right? So regarding RGB, you can see right now on your screen that we have a north facing RGB, right? It's on top. And it means that you cannot use side printed legends because you will not be able to see through them. And we have a metal switch plate as always, and we have a dampening material in between of PCB and metal switch plate, which is good, but we will check the sound test at the end. Now, take into account that this is a gaming Hall effect magnetic switches mechanical keyboard, right? The main parameters are inside a driver, and we have a driver. You can download it from Redragon official website. It's a standard driver. I saw it several times within other keyboards, so it should be known to you if you are watching videos on my channel. And by the way, if you do not forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it. So from the driver we have everything standard. You can change macros, functions and all of that, lighting, RGB. Main part in a rapid trigger and actuation point section, right? You can change actuation point, you can change rapid trigger, and it's already made easier for you. You have 4 presets from a standard, from then more sensitive, then gaming, and then fully custom when you can set everything for you. I did test with Valorant game using these 3 presets just to check at different results with my test with the holes on a wall while you are moving to the right and to the left and firing, right? And you can easily see that on a standard one we have a standard distribution of holes on the wall, pretty big distance. On a sensitive we have a much better, but on a gaming with rapid trigger on, right, and actuation point customized for the gaming, we have the best result. You can see that I'm almost like staying on the same place and firing without moving, because I can quickly press and release, and because it's rapid trigger, it's register the move immediately. From the pulling rate point of view, I'm a little bit confused. On the product page, I can see that it should be 8K pulling rate, but my test with keyboard inspector showing me, I did it like retested several times, clear 1K pulling rate, and I recheck and double check the driver. I was not able to find an option to switch from 1K to 8K. Maybe I need to upload or update firmware or driver. I will check with the guys from Redragon. I will ask them how to switch to 8K. Maybe you know, guys, so you can leave a message under this video in a under the description, right, in the comments section. If I will get a message from you or from them and you'll understand how to switch to 8K, I will quickly record another short video and will explain how to switch to 8K. For now, I can see only 1K pulling rate. Okay, guys, so from the all standard gaming points, it's all cool. This keyboard within the budget, under $100, at least on US market, on Amazon for example, on the day of recording. We have pretty bright full RGB, we have all needed function for actuation point and rapid trigger. For gaming, we have pretty useful and versatile layout. Now let's check the sound of this keyboard and RGB in a darkened environment.